Alright, it is Monday here, and the market is finally trying to put in a bottom here. Tesla's taken off. It's at 1.5%. You can see the market was down pretty considerably this morning. Look at this 5-minute chart on Tesla here. It's finally starting to bounce after it's been selling off since December 18th. This is SPY on the daily chart finally has filled that gap from November. But yeah, it's just been a rough downtrend with some sharp bounces and then just right back lower every time until we finally have filled this gap right now. So I think this is finally going to be the bottom, which is why I just screenshotted that. I'm going to put a tweet out here soon. This is AMD on the daily chart. Look at all those gaps to the upside. I'm really watching AMD. End of the day about up 2%. Nvidia almost went green. Tesla's up about 4.5%, including after hours. Yeah, look at QQQ. It was down 1.5% this morning, and it ended green. Same thing with SPY. It was down 1%, ended green. So it's just super bullish sign. Yeah, look at that downtrend. Very hard to trade. Here is NASDAQ futures, the daily chart. You can see we're bouncing on that lower trend line, right where the gap is on SPY. So this could be the perfect spot to go long here. AMD is going to be my top watch for this year. It's been selling off significantly the entire year. It's down 30% in 3 months. But we do have an upcoming catalyst, which is their earnings report. And they are expected to increase their earnings over the next few years. So the earnings report is on January 28th. And I will be adding more to my position right now. Looking at NVIDIA on the daily chart, it had this nice bull flag, went all the way up to 153 and then just crashed all the way back down in 4 days. Went from 129 to 153 and then lost it all in 4 days. That was one of the worst crashes I've ever seen in any stock, especially one of the big name stocks. But you can see we're finally starting to bounce here. Here's the Robinhood chart of NVIDIA. Tuesday we just chopped around, so I didn't really make any video. This is Wednesday, the CPI report. So we can see AMD is shooting up. Everything is shooting up. Tesla's up 8%. Here is the CPI report. 2.9% year over year. And core CPI was plus 3.2%. And the estimation was 3.3%. So we had a slight beat and lower than what was expected. You can see Tesla calls are up 350%. Meta's up 4%. Nvidia's up 3.4%. Nvidia calls are up over 100%. AMD is up 3.5%. The calls for this week are up 150%. Right now I am in one just Lotto weekly for like $20. And then I'm also in some April 17th calls, the 150 call and the 155 call. We'll be adding more of these in the next few weeks, so it's going to get really exciting here. We could see that huge green candle when CPI came out this morning, and then we held the entire day and crept up a bit higher. So the market's finally looking good. Here's the S&P futures. You could see that huge candle on the daily, which is now creating a trend line, and we're just breaking the trend line. This is going to be the fourth test right here, so this really should be the bottom and the start of a nice uptrend for the next few months. And I will be making a lot more videos coming up here.